Hi there, this is my grow room. It's finally just about empty. I took the last 2 trays up today, and also my the thing I've been having difficulty growing or I've been abusing. Anyway, I'll remember the name of it soon. This is my leggy lettuce. They'll probably get planted outside if I can thin them. Last of my cracky lettuce. I let them go. So that's the last one. The others aren't doing all that well. I think I gave them too much fertilizer on the last batch. And this is just some espaliettes that are going to get planted out in the no-till bed. And I was thinking of putting them in bigger pots, but they seem to be happy enough in these pots, so they can have a little light. That's really all I've got down here, is some lettuce, some espaliettes, and the last of my cracky lettuce. Everything else, this has all got to go up on the deck, my potting station, because I have to pot on a whole bunch of plants. So that's it from the grow room for this year, 2017. Jeez, I was going to go back to 19 something. 2017, end of the grow room season. Thanks for following me along. This is some of my peppers that aren't making it out today. These are the matchboxes and mini yellow bells, I think. A couple more matchboxes, lipsticks, Nardellos and Aleppos. These have all got to go out later when it's not so windy, hopefully. This is my Black Hungarian. I've got about 5 of them I ended up with. The ones I should have been worried about were the Wenk. I only ended up with 1 Wenk. Not quite sure how I managed that, but because I thought I had lots of them when I first started. So this is the Black Hungarian, I think, and it's been out in the sun this morning, and it doesn't like the sun. It's got very, very, very fragile leaves, and it does not like that much heat, so I have a feeling it might need a shadier spot if it's going to go outside at any time. It might end up being a house pepper. And these are the matchboxes. They don't get much bigger than you're seeing them here. They just produce little 3 or 4 centimeter, inch and a half hot peppers. So these 4 I think are all this one and that one. And then here I have a Korbachi, which is a Turkish lettuce, a Turkish pepper, long, thin, like a cayenne, but sweet. And where's I have a shop bought. I think that one's a Jimmy Nardello. I have, this is another Black Hungarian. You can see how the leaves are looking good on that one, and all droopy on this one. It's a pepper that doesn't seem to like direct sun. Where is it? That's a Nardello. These are my ugly parsnips, waiting to go out, maybe this weekend. And what have we got? I thought I have a pepper here that's a shop bought pepper. I used the seed from it after I'd eaten it this spring. Not that one. It's not them, it must be in here. I think it must be this one. This one. Yeah, this is my shop bought pepper. Red, it was a red pepper. but so we will be. That's gone to bloom. It'll be interesting to see what that one does. Needs to get potted on quickly. So that's my peppers indoors. Still have a few there. I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trays, 9 trays still in the house here today. And now we're going on the deck. My Calibrachoa or Choa. It's very pretty. I haven't seen that one before. I was hoping that would attract some bees, but I haven't seen any bees at it yet. There's my big peppers, the espaliettes, the taller ones. This one here, the ones around the back. And this is a black Hungarian here. This one doesn't seem to mind the sun so much. I have 3 of them out here. This one, and this one here. And so I've got a mix of things, Jimmy Nardellos and lipsticks. I actually have a lipstick that's got a pepper on it. Look at that. The first pepper. I can barely see that, so I hope it's showing. I think it is. First pepper. I think there's another one. This one right here is going to be a pepper too. Soon. I swear that grew that big overnight. That pepper. So that's my big peppers. They don't like the wind. My tomatoes, they don't like the wind either. I've been staking everything. I've had to put a big stake on this. These are Gardener's Delight. And this one is Halvor's Mennonite Yellow, I think. So we will see what that does. I tend to take off the end branches. There was this much more leaf, but in the wind that just makes the plant very vulnerable, so I pinch them off all the way around. So yeah, I think it's a little early to be doing that, but should be done a bit later. This is my peanuts right here, peanuts, and my squash, my marigolds. I managed to get a nasturtium in the grow room, and they've got some pretty leaves I haven't seen before. Very nice. And there's a sucker tomato from a Gardener's Delight coming along. So that's my tomatoes. That's about it. So 9 trays of peppers indoors and these outdoors. So I don't know how well you're going to hear me because it's very windy today, as it has been all last week. So that's it. Quick look at my first pepper again. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now. There's my avocado. This will be an add-on. I forgot all about it. Poor little avocado sitting over here on its own. I think you can just about see. The tip just seems to be almost like it gets powdery mildew on it. I keep sort of washing it off every day. It's as clean as it's going to look today at the minute. But there's some buds down below on the stem. The other side doesn't appear to be doing anything. There was a second one, but so this is the first morning it's had outside. It probably shouldn't be outside, but I have the air conditioning on, which is new, so I figured it'd probably be better out here than indoors today. So we're 73 and this is 9 o'clock, or no, 10 o'clock I think. So yesterday was 86. We went from 60, a high of 60 so far, to 83, I think it was. Yes, 83 yesterday. It was warm yesterday. I think it's going to get there again today, but it's supposed to get down to 53 again tomorrow and for the next few days, and 40s at night. So this is just a short-lived teaser, summer teaser. You can see all my lovely dandelions I'm going to try and cut today. A no-till bed over there. You can see where that is in relation to the deck. And they're in full force out the back. Bulldozers and trucks and diggers working. All I could smell was diesel fumes a few minutes ago. The guy was pushing soil up near my fence down the back here. So there we go, that's my update. I'll finish you with a nice picture of my Coleobraca, or Caliobraca, Bracoa. There. Thanks for watching, bye for now.